What's good, Fit Love Power fam? It's your boy, Legendary Delts. And I've been thinking about this series that I wanted to start called Word of the Week. It would be fitness-related terms that I will share the internet's definition, and I will share my definition. And you too, the Fit Love Power fam, will be a part of it as well. Here's what you would have to do. Comment in the comment section below, basically what you think your definition of the word would be. And we would, start that conversation and keep that conversation going until next week when I drop the next word. So for today's word of the week, it's gonna be grind. Now, Google's definition says to reduce something to small particles or powder by crushing it. Number 2, rub or cause to rub together gratingly. Now, I know damn well that those two definitions, regarding the gym or working out, anything you may do strenuously, does not involve those damn definitions. The grind means to put in that hard work that you need to get where you need to be. This could mean, doing extra reps on exercise that you want to, be better on, do extra workload throughout your workouts, basically push yourself to get where you need to be in the gym to reach your goals, whether that's losing weight, gaining weight, prepping for a show. So the grind to me is putting in that hard work. That's what the grind means to me. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. Also, you can share this video with anyone who you think might this be of value to. If you would like to participate, drop a comment below stating your definition of the word grind, and we will see you next week with the next word. With that being said, Legendary Delts is out, and I will see you in the next video.
That was legendary.